What's up, guys? It's Real Talk with B. Back at it again. You know how we do. We just gonna dive right on in. So check this out. So I came out to take my daughter to school, and this tire here was flat. So I had to put a donut on there. But today, I got my soapy water. I got my strip style tire repair kit. You can get this from, you know, your AutoZone or your dollar store or whatever. I already wiped it off, and I can see I have a nail here, right there. I'm not sure if that's where the slow leak is coming from. So, for us to be able to see that, we got to spray the soapy water on there and see if we can see where the bubble's coming from. So I got my soapy water. We're gonna spray. Oh wow, look at that. Look at those bubbles. So that is where it is. All right, so we're gonna have to get that out of there. But before we do that, we're gonna spray and see if any more. See if we got any more bubbles coming out of here. Thought I saw one, but it wasn't one. So we good there. All right. We don't have any more there. Going down here. I was actually worried about this part being one, but it doesn't look to be a polar at all. So, and so you just keep spraying. The good thing about the spray bottle is you can see the dry spots where you know where to spray. We're gonna go all the way till we get back around to where we found that nail at the beginning of the video. So, all right, we should be coming back around to it. Oh, don't fall on me now. Don't fall on me. So, let's get it. You know what? I'm just gonna push it back this way, because by it keep going, it's gonna hit the grill. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna take this. Go ahead and put it up in here so it's already ready for us. This stuff got a sticky adhesive on here. You want to get it in there about halfway. Like that. All right. All right, y'all, so here we go. Here's this. If you see my sweatpants, don't mind it. Whoa. So that's the nail. Let's plug that. That's the nail there. That was in the tire. Got that out of there. You want to use some rubber cement. Now you don't have to use this, but it's good to use it. I get this drill in here to get these edges nice and rounded so it's a nice even surface on the inside of there. All right. All right, I used the drill. Let's try this again. Some of that rubber cement in there. Put some back on here because it's already sticking. All right. Got that drill in there. Now we get this. Try to get this in there. Ah! Get it in there about a little bit lower, guys. Get in there a little bit. So right there. Tug it out. Boom. See that? And that's what it looks like. I'll let that sit there and dry for about 10 minutes. Then I'll come back and I'll show you what I do. All right, so I let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. Let me get it back to you a little closer. See that there? Seems dry to me. There, get that angle a little better. Yeah, guys, so here we are. I don't have a razor, so I'm using a knife to cut this evenly over here. I want to get it cut across. I don't want anything sticking out from it. If you can use a razor, use a razor. But like I said, I'm on the bootleg version at this moment, so it is what it is. So you know what though? After doing this, I will invest in me a razor. It's taking forever with this knife. All right, so I did a little more cutting. And there we go, let's spray this soapy water on there. So guys, here we go. Got that. No more bubbles coming out of that. Cut it down a little more. And there you go, tire repair. And there you have it, guys. Goodbye to you. Here we go. It was definitely a nice day to do this. That's on 12. It's holding well. Yeah, this part could be pretty boring, just airing it up, but we're on 21, so it's coming. One. Nice. So if we can turn this around here and you guys can see it held there. There it is. The road will get the rest of that off, but yeah, there we go. That's how you patch your tire. Thank you guys for tuning in. Real Talk with B. I'm out of here. Peace.